In this video, I'd like to talk about my curriculum portfolio. It's including about this curriculum, reason why I chose this type of curriculum, SMART goals, needs analysis, curriculum map, lesson plans, example of assessment, and things to improve. This curriculum is for a writing course covered in 16 weeks, especially for freshman ESL students at the college. This curriculum is thinking curriculum based on the backward design curriculum. The reason why I chose this type of curriculum is because the outcome is very clear. Writing skill is one of the most important academic skills to be successful in the college. Also, going through all writing process gives the students chances to think issues around them in everyday life as well. I will show my curriculum to show this. My curriculum portfolio is this one, cover page and SMART goals. The main goal is by teaching 16 weeks of expository writing course, freshman ELS student learn steps of writing process for academic purpose, such as pre-writing, drafting, revising, and proofreading. At the end of the semester, 90% of the students will have passing grade of at least 70% for all courseworks. 70% sounds a little bit low, but I put for all courseworks, so it's kinda realistic. I think it's difficult part for some students to keep the motivation or hold through the semester. This goal is important because the better students know steps to write, the more students are engaged in assignment in every subject in school. I hope students' engagement will encourage themselves to improve their English skills and their study in their major courses to be successful in their career. There is potential of abstracts and solutions and also steps I will show in the curriculum map. Next, need analysis. I want you to know their interest, or also I put uncomfortable topics to discuss in class. Language background, tools, and time to write. Also their attitude toward writing. It will help me to choose topic or pick assignment or activity in class. This is my curriculum map. It covers 16 weeks starting from news analysis, rewriting, drafting, including making outlines or rhetorical patterns. And they will write first essay about my island. After the first draft, they will review and edit proofread. Each activity I will give them worksheets and also essay I will grade it with a rubric. After first essay, we will start over again to practice again, using different topic. Second topic is FSM in the world. Writing, drafting, reviewing, editing, and proofreading. At the end of the course, I will ask them to make a portfolio. It's simple, just align all assignment, worksheet, graded rubrics, or their essay in order. I will show a rubric also later. My lesson plans about mind map, and I like to show this one, making outlines. After getting ideas, they will make outlines. This is a practice, and objective of this lesson is student will be able to identify the topic sentence in the paragraph, write a topic sentence for a paragraph, or reorder paragraphs in logical order. I will use video clip, also PowerPoint presentation to follow it up. and student will work on worksheet. The video clip explains what's in paragraph or which is good topic sentence or what is needed in the topic sentence and what else in the paragraph. So after the video clip, I use this PowerPoint presentation to follow it up. Also activity to find the topic sentence. Student read this passage and find the topic. This is the other passage and the same thing. And next activity is matching a topic sentence to the text. This is the worksheet. They will read these sentences. These are a topic sentence to match to these passages. There are 6 passages, so they will read topic sentence and match to this passage one by one. These passages are not in order, so after matching, they will also reorder these passages in logical order. Another lesson plan is about rhetorical patterns. This is about contrast. Another rhetorical patterns lesson plan about cause and effect and reviewing using checklist. And this is an example of assessment. I make one rubric for essay. Students have 6 chances to write essay, and I will use only this one rubric to check our essay. I like use only one so that student can see their improvement by themselves. I will check their topic, main ideas, development, organization and logic, grammar, spelling, information gathering. Okay. And what I need to improve is I like get more ideas of games and activities. We learn multiple intelligence in this course, so not in this course, and 85, 82. So I like to use that idea. I like to consider more about multiple intelligence and imply to the games or activities in this course too. Thank you.